video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Planet Fitness. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser on my mobile device. Head on over to Google, and then I'm going to type in promo code for Planet Fitness here in the search bar. And now once I'm inside Google's search results, I've got a few different places I can get coupon promo codes from. So I've got Real Time Me Not, Groupon, Don't Pay Full, etc. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on the We Thrift It 80% off. And I'm inside We Thrift It. So you can see all the different membership options you've got here. So I've got, well, 1 month free, 50% off sign up deal at the gym. So you activate any one of these codes. I can even click on show history of the code as well. So you can see this code was used last hours ago, 163 total uses. Planet Fitness coupon code was reported working by shoppers 7 hours ago. So now to get this code, click on copy code. And now paste this code at the checkout section when you sign up to Planet Fitness to activate that code. And enjoy the 50% off sign up deal.